Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lincoln MKX hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side, near the kick panel. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop as the hood unlatches slightly. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary safety mechanism at the front of your vehicle. Once you've heard that sound, you're ready to move to the next stage of opening the hood safely and efficiently. Now, walk to the front of your MKX. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand into the gap under the front edge of the hood. You'll be looking for a secondary safety latch. This latch is typically located near the center or slightly to the left. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to the left or pull it upwards to fully release the hood. Feel around gently until you find it and disengage it. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way open. It should lift smoothly. Once it's up, locate the prop rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip the prop rod and insert its end into the designated slot on the vehicle's frame. This will securely hold the hood open, allowing you safe access to the engine compartment for any maintenance or checks. Finally, to close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot above the latch. Do not drop it. Instead, press down firmly on the center of the hood to ensure it latches securely with a satisfying click. Before you go, remember to stay hydrated anywhere with the O-Ala water bottle. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.